So here in this lecture, we will be talking about codominance. First, what is codominance? As we have already discussed in our previous lecture about monohybrid inheritance. Now here we will talk about codominance. Codominance is where both alleles are expressed equally. In the exam, we have to mention that both of them are expressed equally and neither of it is dominant. Neither is dominant. That is why we call it codominance. Codominance means both will be expressed. Now let's understand with the help of an example. So here, when I'm writing the example of it, I will give you the example of the parental phenotype first. So here in parental phenotype, what do I have? In parental phenotype, I have one red flower, and I'll have one white flower. So yeah, there is one red flower, there is one white flower. What will be the parental genotype? Parental genotype is going to be, now let me use my pen to write it. Parental genotype is for red, I will take CR. For white, I'll take CW. Now next, I will go for the gametes. So which gametes will I have? I'll have CR and I'll have CW. Now let's go for the Punnett Square. What will I have here? Okay, here I'll have CW. Here I'll have CR. What will I get? I will get CR, CW. So CR, CW means both red and white. Both colors are equally expressed. So this is basically giving me neither of red nor of white, but pink flowers. So means both of them are equally expressed. This is what we call codominance. This is basically my F1 phenotype, where I have all of these pink flowers. Now I'll go to the next generation. So genome 1 type, we already have CR-CW. All right, so what are our gametes? Our gametes are CR, CW, CR, CW. In our Punnett Square, what are we going to make? We are going to make CR, CW, CR, CW. So what we will have CR, CR. Sorry, yeah. Then we will have what? CR, CW. Next CR, CW, and next CW, CW. So yes, how many we have? We have CR, 25%. So 25%, what we will have? We will have red. Okay, homozygous. This will be what? Homozygous, since both are the same, homozygous. Then we will have CR, CW, CR, CW. So this will be 50%. CR, CW, 50% pink. This is what? This is heterozygous, since we can see R and W. So we call it what? Heterozygous. And then the remaining 25%, this is what this is, white. This is also what? This is also homozygous. So it means we will have 25% white, 25% red, and 50% pink in our next F2 generation. So these are the results of what? These are the results of F2 generation. In F1, we had, this was our F1. In F1, we crossed both pink and pink. But in the next generation, we actually got 50% pink only and 25% red and 25% white. This is what we call codominance.